Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Upwork for freelancing proposals in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your preferred web browser. Type Upwork into the search bar and press enter. Look for the official Upwork website in the search results. Click on the link to the Upwork homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email and choose a secure password. After entering your details, hit the Continue button. Follow the instructions to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the Upwork site. You will need to complete your profile by providing necessary information. Add a professional profile picture that reflects your freelancing identity. Write a compelling overview of your skills and experience. List your relevant work experience and education. After completing your profile, navigate to the Find Work section. Here, you can search for projects that suit your expertise. To download the Upwork mobile app, go back to your browser. Determine whether you are using an Android or iOS device. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Upwork and press enter. Locate the Upwork app in the search results and click on it. Tap the Install button to download the app to your device. For iOS users, open the App Store. Search for Upwork in the App Store. Find the official Upwork app and click on it. Tap the Get button to download the app to your iPhone or iPad. Once downloaded, open the app from your device's home screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.